Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how can you speed up your Windows 11 PC. So you just need to follow me. First of all, we need to go into the start menu and then we have to go into the settings. So you can left click on start menu and you can go into the settings from here, or you can right click on start menu and then you can go to the settings from here as well. Here you have to go into the privacy and security, and then you have to go into the general tab, and here you have to switch all these things off. Again, come back to privacy and security, then go to speech. Here you have to turn this off. Then again you have to go into the app permissions section, and here from location you have to turn the location off for all the applications, and then go to the camera. And if you are using any of the application which requires the use of camera, then you can make this on, or you can let it on. Otherwise, just turn this off. Then go into the microphone section, turn this off. If you do not require the microphone, I am using it, so I will not turn this off. Then go into the voice activation. Here you can keep this as it is. Then you have to go into the notification section and you can turn this off as well. After that, you have to go into the contact section. Just turn this off as well. Then go into the phone calls. If you do not use these features, turn this off. Then again come back to the privacy and security. Then go to the call history section. Turn this off if you are not making use of calls and the history of your calls. And then go to the messaging section. Turn this off. And then go to the email section. If you have configured your email ID, then you can keep this on. If you have not configured, then turn this off as well. Then after this, go into the radio section. Just turn this off. And for the rest of the section, if you want to make any changes according to their requirement, so you can make it. Otherwise, you can keep them as it is. Now in the next step, to improve the performance, you need to go into the search folder, and here you have to type sysdm.cpl. It's a command to open a window where you can go into the advanced section and then go to the settings. Here you can select it, adjust for best performance, and just click on apply and hit OK. Now in the third step, you have to go into the task manager. So just right click on start menu, go to the task manager. As you can see that there are multiple tabs are open in this task manager. So you have to go into the startup tab, and here you have to disable all the programs which are enabled at the startup and you do not need them. So just right click on the program that you want to disable. So I'll click on Microsoft Edge and I'll disable it, and I'll go on Microsoft OneDrive and disable it as well, and rest of the thing I'll leave it as it is. So by following these three steps, you can improve the performance of your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you like my video. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.